What's good, everybody? Welcome to another video. In today's video, we're gonna be doing a little frog fishing under some overhanging tree limbs. Gonna be skipping up under there, up under these trees, just tossing it around. Caught a pretty good one yesterday doing this, practicing for a tournament next week. So we're gonna see how it goes, and y'all stay tuned. It's gonna be a good one. Alright, so the goal today is catch something on top water, whether it's a frog, buzzbait, or walking bait. Catch something on a mid-range bait, like a spinnerbait or crankbait or something that swims mid-range, and then some kind of bottom bait. So basically covering all the stages. So I think it'll be fun, and see if I can catch one. I want to do a Walmart challenge eventually, and everybody do me in a 1v1 with one of my buddies. We both get $50. We got to pick out, I don't know, we may do $50, we may do $65. We don't know yet. We'll figure out a certain budget. We'll go to Walmart, buy a rod and reel, tackle, everything we need, and then we're gonna go fish either a pond or on the river here. And I think y'all would enjoy that. Somebody said that on one of my videos, they wanted to see a Walmart challenge, so we might do that. We probably definitely will. But if y'all want me to do any certain videos y'all want to see, comment down below. I do read the comments, and I read just about every one of them. So, yeah. Hope y'all like today's video, and stay tuned, because I think it's gonna be a good one. I hope so. We'll see. I don't keep getting a backlash. Dial that up just a little bit. There we go. Alright. This line's making me mad. Clean it out. We did not bring the trolling motor. So, if you see me letting this boat get hit, I can't do anything. I'm just letting this drift with the current. Let's see here. I just seen one blow up back there. Golly, get this stick off my motor. Can't be having it scratch my motor. Now I'm wrapped up in a tree. That was a good one that blew up on some shad. Alright, let's see here. It actually blew up on a bird. The bird landed, started walking around the water, and the fish came up and hit the bird. So we'll see. I don't know where the bird went. Fish blew up and the bird left. Whoops. Fish hitting back there. I just can't get it back there. Let's see here. Golly. Got in a tree. Oh no. It's a tree. Alright. Alright guys, made a little switch up to the crawl. Do a little pitching. little skipping action with the crawl. So we can catch one like that. So, gonna let y'all know we did a little switch. And yeah. So we can catch this one. Get the skunk off our back. Or the monkey. Get the monkey off our back. Golly. Done missed one. Good one. Guys, good one. I think it's a good one. It's fighting like it's going. Yup, it's a good one. Oh my gosh, guys. Holy crap, what a spot. Goodness. Holy crap, that's a good spot. It's a good 3-pounder. Come here. Missed him on the first pitch. Second pitch, pitched in there, he ate it again. That's 2.5, 3-pounder right there. Dang. Steakin' ate that thing. The bait wasn't even rigged right. I missed him one time, then pitched back in there. Woo, got him. Good 2.5. I'd give him 2.5. That belly is good and thick, so give a nice release on him and then keep fishing, I guess. That was a pretty good one. How about, buddy? That thing was fighting. That was a nice fight. Caught that guy on a cleanup crawl. This right here. You don't need the color. It's not picking up, but green pumpkin chartreuse. Favorite color. A buddy of mine showed me this. He actually has a YouTube channel. It's Peak Outdoors. Y'all go check him out. Link will be in the description. Dang, that fish fought pretty hard. I guess we'll ease up there because there may have been more. I'm hoping there are. And please, guys, pull apart them tails. Makes a big difference with action-wise. If it was wintertime, I wouldn't pull them apart. But we're going to pull back up there, so I'll catch you guys when we get back up there. All right, we'll pull back up. See if there's any more up there. Because I caught one right here yesterday. I didn't think much about it, but there could be more. Let's hope there's some more. I boat flipped that thing. That was a pretty good one. Step back up here. Because, I mean, I pitched up there and I saw him. The first time I seen him come up and miss it. And I thought it was a little bitty one. And I thought he had it, so I threw back up there. And he wasn't too small. So if there's some more. That fish was right against the rocks. Like, I threw on the rocks and pulled it off. It just might be where they are. Tree limb down there. All right, it's a good sign. You ever seen somebody catch a gar? Golly! That thing went pterodactyl mode on it. Pterodactyl. He went shark mode on it. More like shark. Good Good grief. Dang. Well, that was interesting. Well, let me move this boat. I guess we're gonna move to another spot. Actually, no, there's one more spot right here, so I'll catch you over there. Alright guys, made it to the other spot, and it's looking pretty good. They've turned some more water on, so hopefully that'll be good. Could be bad, never know. So far we caught one 2.5, 3 pounder. I'm gonna give him 2.5. And I had a big blow up by a gar. So day's going pretty good. Go back here. There's one. There's another good one. Dadgum, these spots are good. Dang, I would have like, golly, another butterball. Good grief. They liking that cleanup crawl, I'm telling you. That's a good one too. It's another 2.5. Give him 2.5. 2.25 maybe. Another good one. Send them all back down to the water. There he goes. Thank you, buddy. It's number 3. Thank the Lord for that fish. Thing fought good like the other one did. Alright, here we go. Go back over there. Maybe there's a school of them. Alright. That was another decent fish just then. So let's keep that train going. Got somebody behind us. Get a little closer. Nice tree. Alright. Let's get that out real quick. Oh, I got it out. Let's go. Thank you. Thank the Lord. I got that out. Stand up here. Thank you. That grass patch has always got one. Whether they're small or big, we'll see. It's like 3 or 4 casts in it. Oh, I had him. Dang it. Hopefully I wasn't a gar. Darn it. Took my claws. I'm going to throw it up there like this, like a little Ned rig. See if there's anything up there that wants a Ned rig. Darn it, took my claws. Have to get some more of them baits. Not sponsored by Rapala, but hit me up, Rapala. I'm out here. Golly. Done Missed another one. On a Ned rig looking style. It's gotta be brim up there or something. Whip that thing out there. There we go. That's a nice 3-pounder. Alright, we gotta get that out. I'll catch y'all when we get that out. Alright guys, we're gonna be trying a Strike King bait now. I'll look at it here in a minute, see what it's called. Still, that green pumpkin with chartreuse. Y'all see the trending that's going around right now on where I'm fishing out and what I'm fishing with. And I'm catching pretty decent sized fish. I mean, this is not, I mean, it's a chance to win a tournament with it, but let's see what I'm using. The Rage Menace. Yeah, that's what I thought it was, Rage Menace. Seat's getting, that step's getting a little dirty. Flat down this bank a little bit. It's getting about that time to throw a frog. So, we shall see. It's a good spot right there. There's a normally good one sitting right here. We'll see. Alright. There's somebody behind us. Drift down this bank a little more and start frog fishing now. Might throw a spinner bait. Remember, we gotta catch one on a moving bait and then a top water, so we'll see. Probably gonna run down the river a little bit, but we'll see. I don't know. I'm doing pretty good. Got like 4 pounds right now for 2 fish. That's not bad. It's pretty good. We had 5 of those, the 8 pounds. For our tournaments, you need about 12 to make the place most of the time. That's what it's been for the last 4 tournaments. It's 12 pounds is second and third, and first is 14 and 15 pounds. Between 14 and 15. So, we'll see if we can do this in Selma next Wednesday. I think we do pretty good. So. My gosh, guys, we got a good one. It's coming at me. It's good. Don't jump. Please don't jump. Please don't jump. We got a good one, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Another decent one. Good grief. Get in the boat. That's a good largie. Holy crap. Oh my goodness, guys. Golly, that's a 3-pound largie. Dadgum. Goodness, guys. Holy crap. Look at the size of this fish. I'd give him 3 pounds. Easy. Got a good old mouth on him. Flipped up behind that tree and I seen something moving back there. And his fish was back there, so all these fish are good and healthy. Good big bellies on them. I'm guessing I had a good spawn this year. So let's get a good release on him. Thank you, girl. You'll tell your friends there's a food chain going on. Tell them come bite this old Rage Menace. Those were good fish. Got 7 or 8 pounds now. 8 pounds. Yeah, about 7 or 8 pounds. That's pretty good. For the river, that's good. All it takes is 2 good fish on the river. You gotta have at least one 4-pounder or a couple 3s, and you're sitting in the money in these tournaments. He smoked the crap out of this. All right. Liking it and telling you guys that matches a little bluegill there. A little chartreuse on the belly. That's a 1/8 ounce weight. It's just a lead line. I normally use tungsten, but that's all I had in the boat. It's green pumpkin and chartreuse. Matching a little bluegill. Just getting it around the place. Because these bigger fish, that's what they're looking for, is these brim. And bluegill and sunfish and anything that's got bright colors on them. Because in the summertime, these brim get real bright. And the sunfish, everything gets real kind of bright on the river here. And they love something bright. I mean, I'm not Josh Nyog. I mean, I got chartreuse on that. That shaky head normally has chartreuse on it. Bright white. And, where's my spinnerbait? Right here. My spinnerbait, it's got chartreuse on it right there. Just chartreuse. I don't know what it is. You can get good bites with it. Just pitching around these trees and things. There's a good one right there. Bite. Nah, it's not good. It's gonna be a little bitty one. Since it came up and hit that shad, we'll try to catch it. Just for y'all. Flip right by that treetop. It's gonna be a good one right here. How surprising. So about this grass. Excuse the noise in the background. Somebody's talking to somebody. I don't know, but I can hear him from a mile away. Goodness. It's like 5 houses from where I'm sitting. Golly. Alright. We'll do this for another 5-10 minutes and then we're gonna go do some frog fishing, so. Well guys, I see some shad popping right over here, and I just broke off on a decent sized fish. I mean, I'm not gonna over exaggerate, but and I'm saying he's probably a 2 or 3 pounder. I pulled off one and then cast it back in there and broke off on one, so I think there may be a school of them right here. So I'm gonna pull up here and let's see if we can catch one. Put something in there they'll eat. Some spinnerbait. They'll eat a spinnerbait, I think. Hopefully. Throw it in there. Holy crap. This rod bird's nesting real bad. Dang it. I guess I'm gonna retie. That was 2 good fish. Let's retie real quick. Hopefully we can do that quickly. Move this box out the way. Let's get that box not moved. This right here. Hopefully I got good hooks for me. Not really. think I'll just have to do for now. It's a little rusted. I don't know if I trust that hook. Dang it. Well, that's just what we're going to have to rock with. I'll catch you guys when I get rigged back up. Alright guys, rigged back up. Rigged and ready for battle. Keep seeing fish popping down there, so let's hope they want this. I mean, I know they want it. After breaking off once and pulling off one, yep, they want it. Oh my gosh, dang it. Come on out. That's the only one I got. Alright, I'll catch y'all when I get unhung. Good grief. Alright guys, I'm headed on to the other spot. I'll catch y'all when we get there. Alright guys, we made it to the frog fishing hole. Missed a pretty dang good one here yesterday. So we shall see if there's anything. We also got a rock bank over here. If this doesn't turn out too good, we can fish over there. Alright, there's a fish right there. Maybe he's in there today. Do hear some thunder. So. Alright. Give a few more casts in here. If we don't catch anything, we'll go right over there and hit some rock. Let's give it one good bomb cast back up in there. All right. We'll give it one more cast, and then we'll go hit that bank up there. Don't think there's a fish in there today. All right, go back here. Always good to hit that rock point. Slide y'all up just a little bit. Go with that grass patch up there. Alright. Oh my gosh. One come up and liked it. Little bitty thing probably. Alright, we're gonna back out, go up this rock, fish a little bit of dip. I'll catch y'all there. Fish on. Forgot to hit play. This thing is tiny. And that is your problem throwing this little tiny fish. That's your problem throwing these little baits. Just come here. Just cut. Quit. And go itty bitty little guy. Not even a pound. Here we go. Bye bye. Knew there was one right here. Forgot to hit the play button when we got up here, but we got one. That was surprising. Didn't expect him to be right there. Out of all the places. Well, dang. Okay, I got, I don't know, caught a 2-pounder, another 2-pounder. Think. Golly, I missed that one. Son of a gun. Alright, they're here. Son of a gun, they're here. Golly. I didn't have my bait hooked right on that one. Let's see here. Maybe he's still up there. Didn't have my bait hooked right. Bug flying in my ear. I think we got like 9 pounds right now, so that's pretty good. We don't even have a limit. If we would have stayed over there and I wouldn't have gotten hung up so many times, well, those fish were probably had 10 or 12 pounds. Especially with that nice largemouth we caught. I'd give him 3.5 all day. So, we'll see. See if we can catch one more before the day ends. This is Laura. Golly. Gotta be brim. Set the hook kind of weird that time. May have been a gar. This thing's kind of... Alright, here we go. In the strike zone. This will be the last spot. And then, that'll be the end of the day. Because it's getting kind of dark. And I do not have my battery with me. The battery is dead, so I had to put it on charge, so we don't have lights. Good thing about having a light bar, you can stay out till dark fishing. Or even fish at night if you wanted to. This rock bank ought to have something, at least one good one. We caught one, but no one's got a good one on it. Should have brought the scale with me today. Weigh all our fish. I want to get my buddies and do a little tournament. I got a bunch of buddies that's all got John boats, and get 5 or 6 people out here with John boats and film a video doing a little tournament. Gotta be one right in here. Whether he's big or small. Well, old ladder fish. Give one of them actions to him. He was not there today, but I caught his little brother up there. Well, one of them was there. Daggum. Had to take my claws. No, didn't. Set him good. Alright, here we go. Bait's a little ripped up. Think about this, if you're catching a bunch of little fish mixed in with some big fish, you gotta make sure you have a bunch of these. No matter what size they are, they will destroy this thing. These plastics aren't made the best, but they're made pretty well. But they got awesome action on them. Normally use these as jig trailers, but trying something new. Alright, that thunder's not liking us. Almost done. Thought I had one right there. Do a little grass, just some grass over here. There we go. Alright, trying to fish there. Cast one more time. Then we're gonna move on. It's the better choice today, guys. That and a frog. Frog does really good once it starts to get later. But caught so many fish on this, I put it down. So that and a frog. A white frog, so. Guys, if you enjoyed today's video, I really appreciate it. If you like and subscribe, really does help out the channel a lot. Not a lot of people know that, but it helps out a lot. Almost to the road. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so I really appreciate the 360 subscribers I have now. Really appreciate it. So thank you guys for watching. If y'all have any more video ideas, comment down below them. And yeah, thank y'all for watching. Peace.